Hi everybody, Dave here with another red light therapy device review. And this panel is the B300 from Bontanny, and it also comes with a remote control. So Bontanny did send this out to me in exchange for my review and demonstration of the product. However, they have no input into the video, and they did agree that I could give my own honest opinion. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look at this panel, explain its functions and features, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on this panel. So let's get into it. So here's a closer look at the panel and everything that it comes with. You have the remote control. You have the standoffs for the wall mount. These go on the back. If you want to mount it on the wall, these just keep it away from the wall a little bit. You have the user's manual, which I wanted to show you too because it does have some suggestions for particular treatment recommendations in the back, which is nice. Also comes with the goggles, eye protection, and this is your power cord. So here's the panel itself. Controls are over here, and of course you also have the remote control, which I showed you guys. The back of the panel, you have dual fans here, on and off switch here, ventilation on this side, and there's your 60 dual chip LEDs up there. Now half of these are the near infrared and half of them are the red. And I wanted to show you how truly quiet this panel is. It's running right now and you can probably barely hear it. It comes with about a 6-foot cord. There is your stand, which is nice, very stiff, feels very nice. This is your main power button, and your control panel's over here. So this will tell you how much time you set your timer for. So over here you can choose to have just the red light on, or just the near infrared light on, or both together, which is what we have here with both of them green. The mode buttons is where it cycles through which ones are on. And of course your remote has all the same functionality as this panel, where you can set the timer, you can start it, and you can change the amount of time and so forth. So a very nice, another nice panel from Bontanny. Nice handle up the top here. This is what the panel looks like when it's on. I've really come to enjoy my red light therapy time as a time to relax, and it feels good to know that I'm doing something healthy while I'm relaxing. So overall, a really nice panel. As all the panels that I've reviewed from Bontanny, everything feels quality, everything looks and feels quality, and it's just a very nice panel. Also, you have the 131 milliwatts per centimeter squared rating of irradiance, or measurement of the light that this outputs, which is a very nice high reading. Anything above 120 cubic centimeters squared is considered to be clinical grade or therapeutic grade. So I think this is a very nice unit for tabletop, but it does have screw holes here so that you can mount hardware for it to hang it either this way or also horizontally, the way I have mine over my bed. And that's the way I like to use it. But this is nice for face and neck because it's more designed for a tabletop model, but it can also be used certainly as a hanging model. Although they don't give you the hanging hardware with this one like they do with some of the other models. So if you want to see my other reviews, I did 2 other Bontanny light therapy devices reviews, and I'll have at least one of them up here. But please check my videos if you want to see all 3, because they're all a little bit different and they all have their own kind of benefit. This one's benefit is mainly this remote control, and it does have a little bit of a higher output than the previous model that I tried. All of them have a high irradiance level. Some are a little higher than others, but they're all well above the clinical mark. Anyway, I do like this panel, and it feels, like I said, it feels good. It looks quality. It feels quality, as with all the Bontanny products that I've tried. If you're looking for a tabletop model, I do recommend this model. If you're looking for something that you could appreciate a remote with, this would be the model for you. Myself, I don't think I'll use the remote at all, but it's nice to have it in case. But I can see where it would be handy, because you often have the goggles on, or the light blocking things to protect your eyes, and you don't want to have to fiddle. It's a lot easier to hit the button on here and familiarize yourself with this than to be trying to put the buttons off on here. So that could be one benefit of having this. Overall, another nice panel from Bontanny. So that's my thoughts on this one. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will get back to you. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye-bye.